Hello friends, welcome back to the another interesting session of Intelligent Student. In this episode, we will learn about the 7 natural wonders of the world. So the detailed information about the 7 natural wonders of the world will be given in this chapter. So if you have not watched my previous video of 7 wonders of the world, so you can watch it with the link given in the description below. So let's start with the detailed information about the 7 natural wonders of the world. The first natural wonder that we will discuss is Mount Everest. Mount Everest is 29,035 feet or 8,848 meters high. The summit is the border of Nepal to the South and China or the Tibet on the north. It is over 60 million years old. The Everest was formed by the movement of the Indian tectonic plate pushing up and against the Asian plate. The Everest grows about a quarter of an inch 0.25 every year. It consists of different types of shell, limestones and marbles. The rocky summit is covered up with deep snow all year long. So this is the information which we have discussed about the Mount Everest, which is the first natural wonder of the world which we have discussed. So let's move ahead. The second natural wonder which we will discuss in this video will be the harbor of Rio de Janeiro. The harbor of Rio de Janeiro is the world's largest natural deep water bay based on the volume of water. Gorgeous granite monolith mountains border the top of the harbor. The Sugar Loaf Mountain and Cavado Peak are the two most famous peaks in the region. Over 130 islands dot the bay. The harbor of the Rio de Janeiro, also called as Guanabara Bay, means the January River. It is located in the southeast Brazil. Completed in 1931, the Christ the Redeemer was constructed out reinforced concrete and laminated with soapstone to stand at 130 feet with a 98 feet arm span and weighing 635 tons. So this was the information about the harbor of Rio de Janeiro. We also have discussed about the Christ the Redeemer in the last video session of the 7 wonders of the world. So let's move ahead with the next natural wonder of the world. The third wonder which we'll discuss in this video will be the Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest living thing on the earth and is visible from the outer space. This incredible ecosystem is 2,300 kilometers long. There are thousands of reefs and hundreds of islands in this Great Barrier Reef. There are 600 types of hard and soft corals. This impressive reef is home to countless species including 6 species of turtles, 215 species of birds, 17 species of sea snakes and more than 1000 species of fish. So this is the information about the Great Barrier Reef, which is the largest reef and the largest living thing that is visible from the outer space. So let's move ahead with the next information. Victoria Falls. This is the beautiful waterfall which is seen in this image of the Victoria Falls. First discovered by the European eye in 1855. The Victoria Fall was discovered by the Europeans in the 1855. Without the Zambezi River, the falls could not exist. The fall starts from the Zambezi River. The flow of Zambezi and water levels change. After the flow of Zambezi and the water level change on the Victoria Falls. The falls are 1,700 meters wide and 108 meters high. On the Zimbabwean side of the fall lies the Victoria Falls rainforest. There is a big Victoria Falls rainforest present near the Zambian side of the falls. So let's move ahead with the next natural wonder of the world, Paracutine volcano. Paracutine volcano is the part of the Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire is most famous volcanic eruption area. So the Paracutine volcano is a part of the Ring of Fire. This particular grew very quickly. This particular volcano grew up very quickly and can erupt anytime. It continued to grow and grow. In a year, volcano had reached 336 meters. The volcano grows every year and has reached the height of 336 meters. The Paracutine volcano continued to erupt for 8 years until 1952. The volcano was named after the village where it is located. The Paracutine is a village where the Paracutine volcano is present. It is given on the village name. The next topic is the Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon is bigger than the Strait of Robb Island. The hidden caves abound in this canyon. The Grand Canyon is one of the most visited natural parks in the United States. The Great Canyon was carved over some million years ago. The most dangerous animal in this park is the rock squirrel. So this is the information about the Grand Canyon. So let's move ahead with the seventh natural wonder of the world. The last topic which we will discuss in this video will be the Aurora Borealis. So it is a technique of enchanting natural phenomenon caused by the interaction between the Earth's magnetic field and the charged particles from the sun. Different ions are responsible for different colors. The phenomenon can be witnessed at the Earth's magnetic pole. It is called Aurora Borealis in the southern polar region. These colorful patches, arcs, repelling curtains, or the shooting rays in the shades of the green, pink, red, yellow, blue, and violet appear above the North Pole and are called as the Aurora Borealis. The same phenomenon is called the Aurora Borealis in the south, meaning dawn of the north and south respectively, after Aurora as the goddess of the dawn in the Roman mythology. The Aurora Borealis got the name by the goddess of the dawn in the Roman mythology. So in this video we have learned about the 7 natural wonders of the world which are caused naturally in the nature. So thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, so please hit the thumbs up button, and if you want the latest updates of my channel, so please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. And if you want to appreciate me, so you can appreciate me in the comment section, and you can also ask the doubt in the comment section, and also share with everyone in your community and in your family. Thank you.